Good afternoon, March the 18th, 2016. Time to wrap up the week of trading. We came in today with an upward bias. We thought the market would get stops above the overnight session Globex highs, and it did. It took a hell of a long time. Again, the markets are really quiet for about this first hour of trading. Then they make their moves. And there just isn't a lot of opportunity. They're 1 to 2 point trades. And you have to catch it close to perfect to get that kind of profits out of your trade. So very, very difficult trading. We had hoped to buy the 31 to 26 area down here. Took 35s to get in, 31s to 36s. The sell was 39 to 44. That got us trades in this area, in that area, in this area, and right there. Pretty quiet trading. The odds, for the market makers favor to close at less than 20.30 today. That's where they would make the most money, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. So what do we have for Monday? Well, we have a post-option expiration day, and that usually brings a pause. Been a lot of energy, a lot of capital lost or gained today, and balancing of the books and getting ready to start over again. The market usually tends to rally into option expiration. Then over the first 3 days of the following week, the shorts are set once again, and they start the game all over. F1 screen on the E-mini, higher low, higher high, find a place to buy it. F2 screen, very, very square distribution. Volume is leaning B. TPO's leaning D. Looking for a move out of the middle, out of this 2038 area. If we don't extend the range right now, my guess is we close 37.38. So the news on Monday is Chicago National Activity Index and existing home sales. So we won't have a lot of news kick off the first part of the week. Probably down to what happens in the currency markets to get things started Monday morning. So our first sell will be 40 to 50, 45, sell 1. Assuming a close right here, then 50 to 55, sell 2. On the buy side, 30 to 35. And 20 to 25 for buy 2. Looking at the note, inside day that favors a trading range. We're still looking at a B. If we can't get through the 29.24 area, I think it sets up a pretty nice sell. And why would I say that? Right there. So this 24 level is pretty important. Looking at the F2 screen on the note, put it all together, we're looking at a fairly strong P. The sell is 15 to 19, sell 1. 23.27, sell 2. On the buy side, I'd like to get it done a little bit cheaper, but 4 to 8. And then 29 to 01 for buy 2. ZB, the bond. Last rotate up stopped at 7, then 10, then 12. So 7 to 11, sell 1. 19 to 23, sell 2. On the buy side, 21, 25, buy 1. 9 to 13, buy 2. Gold, lower high, lower low, pointed lower on the F1 screen. And looking at the F2, definitely a B when we look at the London and the overnight session. And still a B when we look at this. Got a tail above, but selling 58s to 60, sell 1. 64, 66, sell 2. On the buy side, 49 to 51, buy 1. 46 to 42, buy 2. Crude oil. We're going to have a weak close right here, so this gap down at 39, I think that's our trading target. So while we do have a higher high and a higher low, I think crude will find sellers. Definitely dealing with a B with a double distribution, so 41.50 to 75, sell 1. 42, 42 and a quarter, sell 2. We caught crude really pretty well today. 40, 75, 41, buy 1. And 40 even, 40 and a quarter, buy 2. Buying against 40, a round number. Take a reasonable trade to me. And looking at the euro, higher low. It's an inside day. Didn't break it out, so 13.25, probably a pretty good sell. Okay, G stopped in that 15 area, so 15 to 25. Sell 1. And 40 to 50, sell 2. On the buy side, I think we're at a little lower, so 2775, 1275 by 1, and then 1250 by 2. And that's it for March the 18th, 2016. You all have a great weekend. We are having snow flurries outside today, and they say maybe again tomorrow. No significant moisture. I think the Northeast and Upper Midwest, Michigan, Illinois East do get significant moisture out of this. Don't think you need it. We do. But when the pears bloom, we usually get another blast of cold air, and every pear tree in Wichita is in bloom right now, so we're right on schedule for that. Y'all have a great weekend. May all your basketball teams win. I will see you bright and early Monday morning. I'm out of here.